Thermostat problems messing with your heat and air conditioning? It's way more common than you think, and a lot of the time, it's because of wiring issues, right where the wires enter the furnace or air handler. Okay, so here's the thing. Those wires can get beat up or even damaged if they're rubbing against rough edges or if there's no proper protection like rubber inserts. You want to check for grounding issues too, because bad grounding can seriously mess with how your system runs or even cause safety problems. The best move is to use those rubber grommets or inserts that come with your furnace or air handler to protect the wires from abrasion. If you spot any nicks or cuts on the wire insulation, you gotta swap out those sections before they turn into bigger headaches. Always double check that the wires are connected snug and tight. Loose connections can cause intermittent heat or cooling problems. And if you're not sure how to check the grounding, it's cool to call in someone who knows their stuff. Keeping those wires safe and sound helps your thermostat talk to your HVAC system without any hiccups, making sure your home stays comfy year-round. One of the biggest thermostat wiring problems is damaged insulation on the wires entering the furnace or air handler, which causes shorts or system failures. Fix this by using rubber inserts and replacing damaged wire sections right away. Another common issue is poor grounding, which can lead to erratic thermostat behavior or tripped breakers. Make sure the grounding is solid and up to code with a licensed pro if needed. Lastly, loose wire connections often cause your heating and air conditioning to cut in and out. Tightening all terminal screws and checking connectors usually solves this one fast. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and wiring fixes. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to connect with people who need reliable work done on their homes.